It was just the two of us after my father left. I don't think losing my father broke my mother's heart, but rather losing love itself. Her hands started shaking beyond her control. Just leaving the house was difficult.
Wonder if you can give me a hand here.
You're bleeding. Mom, this is Frank.
He was kind enough to offer me a ride.
We really can't help you.
Frankly, this needs to happen.
Where do you want to go?
Your house.
Who are police looking for? Frank Chambers, an inmate at Cinchfield Prison serving 18 years for murder.
I'd be grateful if you let me stay till nightfall.
Isn't it against the law to hide a fugitive?
If someone were to come by, it would need to look like I kidnapped you.
How do I know you won't hurt us? I'm stronger than you think.
I've never intentionally hurt anyone in my life.
What happened?
Just know that there's more to this story than you'll see in that paper there. You won't be needing that any longer. When you have to say I tied you up, you won't be lying. Choke up on the bat, hands together. It's a good peach.
We should throw most of them away before they rot.
I have another idea. How does a fellow let a woman like your mother get away?
He got together with his secretary.
He's infected. I'll send Henry for medicine.
Keep an eye out, all right?
I should go.
Maybe you should stay.
They're not gonna stop looking.
I know.
They were two people who couldn't go out into the world, so they made a world with each other.
I'd take 20 more years just to have another 3 days with you.
I can't give you a family.
You already have.
Adele?
Are you a friend?
Just a handyman. We're gonna hit the road and never look back.
Well, withdrawal in this quantity, this a little suspicious.
All right, son. You want to tell me where you're going?
I came to save you, Adele.
I press the gas, throttle wire pulls these levers which open these blinders. Right? Right?
It's like the truck's a wheelchair for it.
No. It's like it is an engine for my truck. What?
You see that?